Hello everybody, I'm Les Waller on the Financial Independence Now YouTube channel, and I want to help you gain financial independence now so you can enjoy the things you want for the rest of your life. So join me now as I show you 6 tips on how to start a YouTube channel. Number 1, just get started. Really? Yes, absolutely. Just get started. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to make a YouTube channel. The more I think about it, the more that actually makes sense. There are so many people out here that I see comments saying, "Oh, I'm thinking about it," or "I'm looking at all these videos," but they're not taking the steps that they need. So right now, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Gmail account. You'll see over here on the right-hand side, you'll see that I'm logged into a Gmail account of mine. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a YouTube channel for you right now. Make sure you open up a tab so you can see this. Do it while I'm doing it. So we are now in an account with no channel on it. We want to go to www.youtube.com. Hit return. So here we're at youtube.com. Now, as you'll see, up on the upper right hand corner here, it says create a video or post. So we will go ahead and click on create a video or post. We will click on upload video. So now it says upload as, and then you can put your name here, my first, last name there. And then by clicking create channel, you agree to the terms of service, of course. So then you will click create channel. Oh, because I had Les.Waller there. So it actually created a channel probably called Les.Waller there. So you've created a channel. So now you can actually select files to upload to your video. In the future, I'm going to be uploading a video that shows how to optimize your channel for people that find it, people that visit it, or people that search on your channel to look for your content. So I've gone ahead and switched accounts to my Financial Independence channel. So that way you can see that I have no videos uploaded and it is starting from scratch. I just made this channel, we'll see it here in a second. This is the new format for YouTube. It's some things are not here like they should be. Unfortunately, if you go to videos here, you will see we have no videos. So if I want to customize my channel, see now I have to go to Classic Studio to customize my channels. If you're starting now, you're going to end up going back and forth between the new Studio Beta and Custom. So let's go ahead and go to Customize Channel. And as you can see here, I don't have any channel art. I don't have any logos. I don't have anything at this point. But like I said, I will make a video that when I'm updating this, then I will make a video that shows that. In my About page, I did put a description, but I am going to change this because that is much too long. I want that to reflect my elevator speech first, which is, click on the little pencil over here, Control V, return, done. Real basic description. I want to help you gain financial independence now so you can enjoy the things you want for the rest of your life. That is what I have to offer on this channel. Number 2, share your channel. Share it with your friends and family. When you're sharing it with your friends and family, I would say to share it once and then let them decide on their own whether they want to support your channel or not, because you don't want to be pushy, you don't want to be obnoxious or anything like that. Either they're going to support you or they're not. Let them make the decision, because really, your friends and family will make up such a small number of the group of subscribers in the community that you're going to build. So don't rely on your friends and family because, I want to get that first 10 subscribers. Don't worry about it. Subscribers will come by following what I tell you to do. Part of sharing your channel will be to make a Facebook group and page. We're on Facebook and we want to create a page and a group. So first we're going to do is we're going to go in and go with a business. Page name will be Financial Independence Now. Category, entrepreneur, I think is going to be the best for my particular case. I will continue. We will skip this for the moment. And we will skip a cover photo. So what we want to do is we want to brand across all of the social media accounts that we're making. So we're going to come up with the same picture that we will use for the logo here as we will on Instagram, as we will on Twitter, as we will on YouTube. Same with the banner art. The banner art will be the same across all the platforms. Alrighty, so we have Financial Independence Now as a page. We also want to create a group. Financial Independence Now. Add some people. I'm going to add my older brother. Personalize your invite with the notes. Let me add a note. So we have created a group on Facebook. So we've created a group. We've created a page on Facebook. So most people probably already have an Instagram account. You can have up to 5 accounts on your iPhone. So we are going to make a new Instagram account on the iPhone. Yeah, let me explain this. So we're going to, on the iPhone, we're going to Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls, Screen Recording. We just did hit the plus sign, so we've added that. So you're supposed to be able to swipe up when you're there. So let's go ahead and go to Instagram. From the bottom, very bottom of the screen, Screen Recording, Start Recording. We're now recording. Microphone's off. I'm going to go ahead and turn the microphone on. Okay, I'm going to assume it's being recorded. So we come here, we go to Settings, Add an Account. All right, we're going to try and use the phone. Oh. All righty. I'm 18 or older. Skip, adding to Facebook. Skip, 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 save. So we've added an Instagram account onto the phone. We'll go ahead and stop the recording. Let me see if I can log out. Switch accounts. Maybe I have to do this. Oh, so when you log in, you've got to use the username, not the email address. All right, so we now have an Instagram, a second Instagram account on our phone, specifically for this purpose. Next step, second Twitter account. Same thing. We'll come back to our phone, go to Twitter. We'll click on the lower part here, record the screen. It's recording. And the steps for adding a second account here, tap and hold on the Me button in the bottom right corner of the screen. I don't see a Me button. But there was the Home button on the top lower left corner of the screen. We want to create a new account. The name will be Financial Independence Now. Phone number or email address. Next. Next. Create your account. Sign up. We sent you a code. We verify it. Need a password. Have a favorite selfie. Upload it now. Skip. Describe yourself. Skip. Not now. Skip. Suggestions. Next. Let's go. All right, so we've created a second Twitter account on our iPhone. Now you can see by holding the lower right button, we can go back and forth to either account. That concludes the second part. So number 3 is to focus on a niche. You don't want to be something that is so broad that no one's going to be able to find you. And also when you're making content, it's going to be all over the place. So you want to focus on a niche, especially you want to try and do something that you're interested in and are passionate about, because that passion has got to show through when you're talking to the people in front of you. So I want to help those that want to become financially independent, and I want to share my journey starting from this point forward, obtaining financial independence for myself, and in so doing, I will share with others to help them become financially independent now so that they can enjoy the rest of their lives. So you want to come up with a 30-second elevator speech, so to speak. That way, if you meet someone in the elevator, you meet someone on the street, and they say, hey, what do you do? Well, I want to help you to gain financial independence now so you can do the right things that you enjoy for the rest of your life. That's number 3. Number 4, engage with others. So one of the reasons that we have made this Facebook group, this Facebook page, this Instagram account, this Twitter account, the YouTube channel is to get out there and engage with people. Number 5, focus on YouTube fundamentals, basic things for your video, title, thumbnails, tags, description, playlist. YouTube's made available the YouTube Creator Academy, which there are videos there that tell you exactly what you need to do. After all, YouTube wants you to be successful because if you're successful, then they are also going to be more successful. Number 6, content is king. You need to add value to someone's life. You need to be consistent. So at a minimum, you're going to want to be posting once a week. The before mentioned tips that I have talked about came from Video Influencers video, 7 tips to grow from zero. In the description below, you'll find a link to their video. To go to our, well, great. That's what we need to have recorded.